In life, I seek happiness and peace in my body and my mind.
If I do fall on a 60-foot wave, I know that I have to rely on my physical and mental strength.
For me, it's about setting goals and pushing boundaries.
When you come to the badminton court, you have to keep relaxed, you have to be very focused.
When I feel good in myself, I can carry that through my business to my customers.
Knowing that you can make such a crucial difference to a person's life, there is nothing that compares with that.
Stronger the body, stronger the mind. My cancer journey, it was a hard one. When you're an athlete, you don't feel something like that will hit you.
Surfing big waves is one of the most dangerous sports in the world. Having wipeouts, you're going to be under for a really long time. And underwater, there's just darkness.
Up on a mountain, we had 60-mile-an-hour winds. In isolation, we were climbing for roughly upwards of 8 hours. It was a real toll on my body.
A broken sleep pattern can take its toll. My work rota sees me juggling between day and night shifts.
The whole country were expecting me to get another medal, but I had to go through knee surgery.
When you're left with no choice, you have to fight.
And find your balance.
Using Amezcua products are really important for me.
Using Amezcua products has really helped me to achieve my body's top performance on and off court.
The chi pendant energizes me and has helped balance my body's energy.
Using the Biodisc means that I get premium benefits of my food and water every day.
Biodisc with BioLite has been incredibly beneficial in my sleep routine.
The body goes under a lot of stress when climbing, so I use the BioLite to help with my recovery.
Using a product that restructures and re-energizes what I put into my body is really extraordinary.
We need to work with nature to maintain an equilibrium for all life.
Connecting with nature, this is what life is about for me.
I can feel the changes in all aspects of my life.
Find your freedom.
And be the best version of yourself.
That's what makes you legendary.